Please let me enter.
You're already in, right?
No, no, I want another one. That's my laptop. I can able to see the
Okay,
report.
okay, fine, fine, fine. I'll do that. So just
Perfect.
I will just re-record. I'll stop the recording now. Post. Where is the recording?
This is okay. You can start recording. I'm good about it.
Okay, fine. So let us go into. I have taken one report. Uh,
Mm-hmm.
if you would like to take any other report, also possible, not problem. But I just have taken this report that is of
Okay.
Ashish. Okay, Ashish report. So
Okay. Okay. Can you do me a favor? Can you look for Ahem's report? I wanted to go through that because I'm having a lot of trouble with that child.
okay, okay, him, right? Okay,
Yeah, Ahem. Yeah.
yeah, him. I will close this and
Perfect. Ahem, the upper one.
okay,
Yeah. That's.
yeah. This is
Perfect.
him report.
Singhania.
Yeah,
Ahem Singhania.
yeah. So basically, this report was called the Co-Scholastic Skill Report, but later we renamed it to International Competency Olympiad Report because we also wanted to go into that area, into the Olympiad section, to conduct programs for the students across India. And
Hmm.
also, once we measure these competencies of the students, it will be good for them. So we thought we will go with this Olympiad program, but this is
Okay.
the earlier the name was the co-scholastic skill report, and this report is actually designed based on the recommendation of CBSE. CBSE had a
Okay.
program called the CCE, no, it's a continuous and
Yeah.
comprehensive program, comprehensive
Hmm.
continuous program assessment program. They had we had introduced some time back, but later due to some reasons they had to withdraw that program from the schools.
Hmm.
But we made this report based on that CBSE report.
Okay.
Yeah. So
So.
in this report, we measure these 10 competencies basically. The complete design is
Okay.
based on CBSE. Okay, the content is based on CBSE only. Self-awareness, problem solving, decision making, critical thinking, and creative thinking. These five
Hmm.
competencies are categorized under thinking skill,
Hmm.
and these three skills, that is interpersonal relationship, effective communication, and empathy, these three competencies are defined under social skills, and
Hmm.
managing emotions and dealing with stress. These two are classified under the emotional skills. So total
Okay.
there are 10 competencies that we measure under
Hmm.
three categories: thinking skill, social skills, and emotional skills of the student. And
ठीक
basically,
है.
this report is used for the training purpose, not for the career analysis purpose, but for the training purpose of the students. So
Okay.
here the report gives you the percentage of each of these competencies in a nutshell. That is the graph that you
Hmm.
see first, and the explanation of that is also given here. Self-awareness has got 84, and problem solving, decision making, critical thinking, creative thinking. These are the five things. So where he is
Hmm.
standing, you will understand here what are his skills. You can see critical thinking is slightly low here, and
Hmm.
higher thing is self-awareness and creative thinking is quite okay. Even problem solving is also quite okay. You can have a look at the percentage, then you'll get a better idea, you know.
Hmm.
So when you look at this, you will know that these two things, decision making and the critical thinking, have to be developed in any case in the child, isn't it? Maybe also problem solving, but it is not so bad. It's almost close to 50 percentage. That is okay. But if you want to develop, unless the student wants to go into IT or something like that, then you don't need to develop that because already he has got a problem solving skill already. But depending on the
Got it.
requirement, yeah, depending on the requirement, it can be done. Now, when you look here, here also we have given the legend of this. above
Yeah.
80%. That I think I don't have to explain, right? Because you can easily understand that. Do you have to explain that?
Yeah.
Above 85.
No, I know.
Okay.
Yeah, okay. Why not? It's above 85 is highly, skilled. In fact,
Yeah.
over skilled.
Yeah, it is called actually overskill because something which you have in a high degree, then you may also
Yeah,
have
that's
the
also
same
weakness.
kind.
Yeah, that
Yeah,
also
weakness
becomes
also
your
be
weakness.
there. So that is why we don't suggest that. So 61 to 85% is the best area range. Then 46 to 60 is also quite good, and that is
Mhm.
where in you will be able to make a lot of changes in the person. For these
Okay.
area, the competencies which are falling into this category, it will be
Hmm.
easy for you to develop also because 61 to 85, suppose somebody is having a competency, for example, let's say
He's
self-awareness.
84. 84. That's too much.
Yeah, yeah. So,
Yeah.
so like that. So that is the area of development. Okay. So now under each of these competencies, we have further drilled down that to 5 parameters. So that is what you see below again. So this is only talking about the thinking skill. As you have seen, under thinking skill we had 5, right? Self-awareness, problem solving, decision making, critical thinking, and creative thinking. So here it's
Mm.
again drilling down. For example, this is self-awareness, whereas these are the parameters, 5 parameters you can see here. But of course, out of that, one is less.
So actually, John,
Yeah.
that's why I wanted you to pull his account because this guy is amazingly self-aware for a 9-year-old.
Yeah. But still there is an improvement, right? Because when we talk about 100%, this is the improvement. But we don't need to improve it. You don't need to improve. You don't need to look into this area actually because already is quite good, isn't it? So his self-awareness is given here is 84 percentage. Only given the. In case if you want to develop something, what needs to be developed is this one: adopts optimistic approach. This is what he needs to improve. These are the traits which are okay. These are the 4 things, and this is the fifth one, that is adopts optimistic approach. This is what the training requirement is in case if you want to develop something in him. But actually you can just avoid this because he has already scored 84 percentage in that. So similarly, each of these competencies are explained here, what the traits are okay and what needs to be improved. So now we have seen that the problem solving has to be developed. So if you have to develop that, then you have to, what do you will develop, how will you develop? You would look into these 2 aspects. That is finds workable solution. That is a problem for him. Finding out the workable solution is a problem. Otherwise,
Okay.
handling problems effectively is okay. Views problems as a stepping stone is fine. Finds ways to solve conflicts, that is also fine. But these 2 areas, identifies and states problem. See, unless you understand the problem, you won't be able to solve it, right?
Hmm.
So that is one of, because different people will have different requirements. His problem is he is not able to identify the problem, but he is able to maybe he is able to analyze it, but he is not able to understand what the problem is. So that is what it is to be developed in him, and finds workable solution. Even if after you understand the problem and analyze the root cause, still if you are not able to find workable solutions, that means still the problem is not solved. That means, normally
Okay.
we say there is a big problem in front of you, but you have no solution. That is the problem here. You know,
Okay.
so it
So,
has to be looked into solution, how to find solution for the problem. That is the
okay.
development area. So similarly, for each competency, we have given that, decision making, what is okay and what is not okay. Here, 3 things have to be improved in order to develop this decision making competency for that student. Okay, decisive
Mm-hmm.
and convincing is okay, shows readiness to face challenges, okay, but identifies alternatives, analyzes alternatives, and takes decisions logically. As far as decision making is concerned, these 3 things have to be trained on him.
Hmm.
Similarly, critical
Okay.
thinking. Yeah. So this is the way we look at the report. Okay.
Okay. That's
So
what.
so the
Because,
so this part is talking about critical thinking. I mean, sorry, the thinking skill. Then comes to social skill. So it goes on like that. Yeah. Now you can
hmm.
ask me the question. You wanted to say
So
something?
my question with you, if you go to the second part of the graph that you showed, right,
Yeah, here.
which was more detailed one.
Yeah.
Yeah, this. So okay, so let me tell you about this boy. This boy is very, very aware. Okay, like it's already says in the count.
Yeah.
He thinks, but it says he's highly empathetic. It doesn't show at all in his dealing. Maybe he's blocking it or whatever, right? And he is very, very stubborn. He doesn't want to listen to you. He is not ready to budge even one step. He says, I know I want to lose weight, but he doesn't even want to go there. He says, no, I know it, but I don't want to do it. You
Okay.
get it?
Yeah.
And all the options he's taking, in my sessions I see him, all the things he want to do are contradicting to what he's saying. So like he says, I want to lessen my screen time, right? So I say, okay, what will you do to do that? He said, I will do painting. I said, okay, great, but I don't like painting. And he's a very self-aware guy, right?
Okay. Yeah, that is already shown here in this.
Yeah, so he's
report.
contradicting his own statements. His choices are contradicting to each other.
Okay. So that means his problem is, the what we call the
That's the issue.
stability. The stability.
Rinku
The
ko call
stability.
karna. Yeah.
Stability is the problem with him. I mean, he's not, giving
Prachala,
something now.
can
and
you
something-
see this? Can you understand and see where could it be? Like I can
Yeah.
see his expression are very flat. Frequency of expression इसमें zero ही आ रखा है और वही है उसका, right?
ये कौन सा कलर है एक्सप्रेशन का?
ये ग्रे है. लेफ्ट में देखो ना, फ्लुएंसी ऑफ एक्सप्रेशन इसका कितना लो है. मेरी बात करा.
So maybe
फ्लैट फेस रखा है.
he needs to become more expressive. उसको how do you work on that? What is the green one? I'm sorry.
This green one is self-awareness. Okay. You can see here.
The-
Self-awareness.
And the blue. Wait,
Blue is
इसमें लिखा हुआ है. Wait,
critical thinking.
and I can't see it because it's on my
This is critical thinking.
phone.
Blue is
Sorry.
critical thinking.
Right, SOPs.
So if you look at it, from the looks of it, Rakhi,
Like for a master's. Because my bachelor's.
hello, Rakhi, can you hear me?
Anything that I do,
Yeah, बोलो बोलो.
I want to go.
From the look of
Ah.
it,
What is
his
the- what is
his
the purpose of
assessment of things
pursuing
is very superficial,
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. Need to write that.
right?
And going
He doesn't
forward,
like to go
you
deep.
Change it while you're doing it.
Yeah.
But
He
at the
stays on the
same time,
surface.
so here's the contradicted thing. He's
Yeah.
very self-aware.
Hmm.
So his focus is on self, not on others.
And for a particular
Yeah.
Right, the university.
So
Right.
basically, when he wants things to change, he wants others to change. He doesn't want himself to change.
Exactly.
That's very. He's
Yeah.
He
very
knows
rigid.
what the problem is.
Also.
He's very rigid. Huh?
He's very rigid. I can't tell you. I have to request him 10 times in 1 hour of session to switch on his camera. And he says, I don't like switching on camera. I really have to, really keep on telling him. And when he does it, it's like, okay, thank God he's at least doing that. I don't like talking to people. I have
Can you
my
see
father.
something? I'll show you. See, can you see this independent thinking?
Yeah,
This is quite high
yeah,
also, right?
quite high. And
Yeah.
his expression is so low. Just can you
Yeah.
imagine?
Yeah. So independent thinking
Question-
is, he wants to, he thinks himself, everything. Independently.
John,
He knows everything. He's like
John,
he knows everything.
no, John,
Yeah.
see again, at the end of the day, whatever the assessment is based on how they respond to the questions,
That is true, definitely.
right?
That is
Which
definitely-
means that he knows what's the right thing. He doesn't want to do it.
Mm,
Because here, if you see, it's a little contradictory.
mm.
One moment it's saying that social and emotional self
I watch it.
and self-respecting and the awareness of strengths and weakness is very high. And here, examines
He's a-
problems closely is very low. How does that work? I don't get it. It's very contradictory if you ask me.
It's very heavy, you know, for a person just to watch a
You are talking about this one, this self.
Yeah, the green
Ah,
and the blue. It,
green and the
it
blue.
should be. That means that some of the questions that he's answered
Hmm.
have been based on what is the ideal answer and not what his answer is.
No, Prachila, we can't question that. We can't assess it because
Then-
that's what he is saying he is, right?
See, this question
When we are-
what he is answering is not related to anything actually, because when we give the questions and answers, it is all equal grade. You know, there is no grading like, you know, sometimes never like that. There is no answer like that. When we give the answer, these are all equal value answers that we give. So you won't be able to make any
choices. Prachila, the
choices.
answers are very, what he is trying to say is the answers are very neutral questions. Are
Yes,
very
yes,
neutral,
exactly,
right?
exactly, very
So he
neutral
can't
answer.
say, so he can't do that कि वो ये वाला मैं ऐसे आंसर कर दूं ये वाला ऐसे.
Yeah,
ये
he
बच्चा contradiction करता ही है. That's how I've seen him
Yeah.
in last 3 sessions.
that is
And that is exhibiting in his report, right?
yeah, that is
See, there is no clarity. If that's the case, there is no clarity.
Of course, that's why I wanted to open this now, because he's full of contradictions. I have been telling him twice. I've sent you the video, the recordings also. I've told him that you're always making paradox. You're always making contradicting choices. These are the exactly words that I've used for him. And when I look at his report, that is what I can see, right?
Yeah.
He, you know, see feedback, कितना उसका feedback का कितना बुरा हाल है. Look at it. So his social, emotional self for himself might be very high, right?
That we can check down. We'll see down. Down
Okay.
with social skills,
Let's
we
go
can
down.
see here. Yeah. This is what.
Okay.
That is the.
Yeah.
Sorry. This is not that one. This is the one. Managing emotions.
Okay.
Social, we can check here. His social impacts, how he is behaving with the.
Okay.
All that we can check here. So here we have 3 categories. One is effective communication, empathy, and the interpersonal relationship.
So here I'm not very sure, because
If you look at it, his contribution to group is very low, but he's very aware of assertive and aggressive behavior.
Yeah.
his contribution is 0.
Yeah.
He doesn't,
His listening
until I
skills are low.
force him. Until I force him to talk, he will not talk.
Seems to have a lot of conflict
Yeah.
within him.
Exactly.
Interestingly, he's tolerant with diversity, sensitive towards environment.
Yeah. So I'm like, okay, because
Sensitive.
but then he's too tolerant. That is also not okay, na? Maybe he kicks
See,
back
it
because
could also be
right, जो S का होता है, if we look at this, right? Might be over tolerant, but then you kick back.
Means, you know, he's also talking about the changes that he's expecting. You know, he say, as you said, no, he say something now, later he'll change it immediately, right? He does not want to do that. So that stability problem is there actually with this diversity, because too much of change he is looking for.
Tolerance for diversity means he himself wants, okay, that could be also a way of looking at it, Prachila.
Yeah. Actually, we can also see the thing here. No, don't know the
Yeah.
manage. Sorry.
So there is no improvement, only one improvement written here.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it. Nothing.
Nothing.
Upar, but his contribution to group is very bad. He doesn't talk.
It doesn't talk. You are talking about
No, I have-
this area? Which area you are talking about? This one?
The report that you have said. See, go down, down.
Yeah.
So here, when it says interpersonal relationships, ये तो ठीक है. इससे नीचे contributes the group conversation. He asks a lot of questions.
This is talking
right?
about FT communication. Under FT communication is okay.
Okay, he's good.
Yeah.
Yeah, he is. Yeah, okay.
Yeah, communication only does not require any much improvement. Because
Okay,
he's
okay,
already
got it.
okay. You know, empathy is also okay. Very empathetic.
I've seen him. You won't believe it, John. I've seen him while he's in the session. I'm seeing him banging his head, looking at somebody and saying. So I don't, and I've seen it not once. I've seen it 5 times at least.
Hey there. So Raki, one of the
Hmm.
things that we could probably figure out is, you know, remember we talked about empathy moving into compassion.
Yeah.
वो है कि नहीं?
But I doubt he's on that space, because when I spoke to him on last Saturday, he told me that my father keeps calling this idiot cousin of mine who I can't stand, and I just lock my room. I don't want to even entertain him. And I told him, why can't you do a Kaizen method, be with her for 5 minutes? He says, then she will ask more. Why would I want to waste my time?
Exactly, वो compassion नहीं है ना?
हाँ, exactly. तो फिर यहाँ पे फिर उसका वहां लिखा हुआ है public skill बहुत, वही मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा, you know, he is so contradicting. Like report is good, George, do you understand?
Yeah.
But my issue is how do because I need to talk to his mother. So how do I interpret it? How do I go forward and talk to her and make her understand this?
Wait a second. Let me check something else about him. Okay, since you said this issue, what's his name?
Ahem.
And take his individual ID. Let me check something else.
राजी फ्रूट काट के गई थी, देखो, दे दो.
टिश्यू का याद है, टिश्यू का नेकबैंड कौन सी उसका क्या कंपनी का?
वो तो मैंने लेके, हमने वहां सीपी से वहां से लिया था. आई डोंट नो, किसी से पूछ लो.
Let me see if he has made any. Inconsistency. I was checking his inconsistency check, you know. We can also check whether he has given any inconsistency in the answers. So here it
So
says,
he was okay.
here it says the test is okay.
Okay, so that means whatever he chose, he was sure about what he was choosing, right?
Yeah.
Good.
Otherwise,
Okay.
you know, some people will, you know, when you look here, you can see. 1 second.
Yeah.
Some people might manipulate. You know.
Yeah, I know that.
This here, everything is okay. Let me see. Because some places we can see. Let me see. Here, in this case, everything is okay. Otherwise, some cases we can see, you know, the percentage of manipulation that we can see here in this area.
Okay.
You can see, but
Okay, got it.
It's not there. So that is
Okay.
okay. These answers are quite reasonable.
So, okay. So now let's go to the further.
Yeah. I can also check one more thing for him. Some more
Okay.
basic traits I can check, since he is it's a problematic thing now. So I can check one more thing. I can pull out one more report for him and see.
Okay.
We have to restart sometimes. I'm just pulling out one more report of him. That's the basic behavior analysis. Okay.
Okay.
So the same person,
Mm-hmm.
wherein his problem areas are optional thinking, options, choices. He has less
Okay.
choice.
Hold on.
These are basic only, okay. But when it comes
Got
there,
it. Got
there
it.
can be some changes because when we mix the parameters, there can be changes. It can affect. But still, this is the very basic areas. Optional thinking,
Okay. It's listening,
yeah. Active listening,
listening,
yeah. Active listening is less,
and wealth. Then is knowledge update
yeah.
and
Knowledge
wealth
update is
creation.
less,
That's
but creation. This is quite low for him. Active listening, then detail orientation is quite low. Critical,
so. What is living in? What does living in mean? He doesn't like going out. Do you mean that?
no. Living in means living in the present. Living in the
Living in?
present. In the present. Living in the present. So that you can see here.
Okay. Living in the present.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
So you can see here, he lives in the present and responds willingly to the demands of the moment. But it is quite high. It is quite high. Living in the present. It does not mean that he is going out and coming. Not that he is active. Okay, it's not that. It's not talking about that actually. Responds willingly to the demands of that means he understands that what is being happening around. Being calm and the most reassuring person at home and at work, she details with life better
Got
than
it.
most people. Yeah.
Okay. Cool.
Yeah. So
this helps me actually, to be honest, because now at least I have certain amount of understanding of his, thoughts and his process.
okay.
Okay, so if we go to the, so let's go to the let's complete it, right?
Yeah.
Needs improvement, yeah.
Social skills. Social skills also is quite okay. Because these three parameters, three competencies are okay, above 60. But when you go into details, this is the area where if he has to improve, then what he has to improve is natural and easy to interact.
Okay, he's got too much on in his mind to interact naturally, to be honest. Okay.
But easy interacting like that, easy. Does he find it easy to interact naturally? That is one area. Then the rest are okay. Practically we can say nothing. Nothing much to improve here because the fields are quite okay. The traits that are quite okay for you in this. Then comes to the emotional area. Emotional maturity.
Okay. So he's young boy. He's a 9-year-old. How can you ask him to be mature?
So it may say, I'll tell you one more thing. Before I think we explain all this, actually, I should also tell you something. This is the time where they are making changes. They are getting changes in their brain connections. He's how many years old he is? 9 years, right? Hello.
Yeah, I'm listening.
Yeah,
I think Raki's.
I'm on call, please.
I'll do one thing. I think now the time is up. I will reconnect. Can you all reconnect again? I'll stop it and we can reconnect.
Okay. All right.
I'll stop this.